AD, I didn't expect you to come here today. Welcome to our Hawaiian oceanfront villa. Come on in. So when you first walk into our house, you're gonna walk in through the front door and come straight into the mudroom. This is where all the kids like to put their shoes, put all their toys when they come in after a full day of fun. So after the mudroom, kick off your shoes, come straight into the living room. We got a nice comfy cloud couch with a 32-inch plasma screen TV. We always keep these candles lit, keep the mood nice and luxury, nice and relaxed. One of our favorite things to do here in the house is play a little Switch. We like to play Mario Kart, mini games. And now we can take a walk down the hallway all the way over to our super cool botanical garden. So as you come over here, we got all kinds of different cool plants. My personal favorite is this bamboo plant. Now there's something special about this bamboo plant. This bamboo plant was sent to us from a great friend in Thailand. And he made this pot handmade and has sent it to us, and it's just been giving us good luck ever since. Alright, now follow me into our bedroom. This is where we spend a lot of time. So here we have our awesome California king bed. It's very spacious, super comfortable pillows. We got a little salt lamp to keep the mood nice and calm and relaxed. And this is where we just like to unwind after a nice day of full work and school. Alright, let's head over to our breakfast nook. This is where we spend our time in the mornings. Some of our favorite things to eat are cereal. Our kids love Frosted Flakes. Sometimes we even get a little fancy. We'll make eggs, make a little smoothie. That's one of our personal favorites. Okay, perfect. Now we've made it to the dining room. This is our dining room. We love to spend time here in the evenings eating fancy steak dinners, shrimp, corn on the cob, pork chops, all of our favorite meals right here, where we really like to enjoy our food and spend time with our one and only friend. Now follow me, let me show you the chef kitchen where the real thing happens. Here we have our really nice stainless steel appliances. We have stainless steel appliances. We have stainless steel appliances and a perfect, really nice marble counter that was imported from Africa. That has been the best touch in the kitchen. We always keep it real with the Vitamix, make our smoothies, acai bowls. We have a very luxurious oven and microwave combo. And actually this part of the counter right here is our stovetop. It's the first stovetop to ever be made. You don't know where it is. You place your pot on there and instantly the water boils. Alright, follow me now. We're gonna head over to the bathroom. So this is the hers bathroom. This is where we like to get ready in the morning. We like to brush our teeth here, do our facial regimens, get all prepped up for the day. And it's just the same marble counter that was imported from Africa. It's the same one that's in the bathroom here. Now we're gonna head over to his part of the bathroom. Boom, and we're back. So here in his bathroom, I'm gonna show you a different angle. So as you can see, the same countertops as the other place, but it's just a little bit different, a little more masculine, a little more manly in this bathroom. Now we're gonna head over to the laundry room and the walk-in closet. Here we have our dual appliance Whirlpool, special state-of-the-art washer and dryer. Over here we got the hers closet, and up here we have the his closet. It's very spacious. We have a lot of space for activities. Sometimes we play tag in here. Alright AD, thanks for stopping by, but we're actually gonna head out. We got a kickball game to catch. So thanks for coming. We enjoyed having you, but we gotta head out. Thanks. Bye. What? What do I do now?
You were supposed to shut the door.